Hello and welcome back to another episode of the StrottSHOW. I want to thank you for joining me again today. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm that can solve all of your design and inbound marketing needs. And speaking of those inbound marketing needs, today we're going to dive into our catalog and bring to you a blog post from earlier this year. This blog post is The Great Social Media Circus, Why Outsourcing is Your Ticket to the Big Top. We went a little metaphor heavy, even more tortured metaphors than usual with my work on this one today. And let us dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. Today we embark on a thrilling journey through the wild and wacky world of social media management. And to do it, we're going to enjoy my longest metaphor to date. Imagine running a small business as a daring trapeze artist, balancing precariously between managing your core operations and captivating on your online audience. Sounds exhausting, right? Fear not, we have a solution that will keep you from plummeting without a net into the abyss of burnout. Outsourcing your social media management. Here we are. All eyes can be on your social media with proper management. The tightrope walk. The perils of DIY social media management. Now picture this. You're juggling orders, customer service, inventory, and on top of that, you're trying to craft the perfect Instagram post. You're in the middle of a creative brainstorm when a customer calls with an urgent issue. Suddenly, your brilliant idea for a viral post is as forgotten as you switch gears. This constant back and forth is the life of a small business owner who tries to do it all. What's the result? A hodgepodge of half-baked social media efforts that don't do justice to your brand, grow your audience, or get posted with consistency. So the Ringmaster, professional social media managers to the rescue. Enter the social media manager, the ringmaster who orchestrates your online presence with precision and flair. Here's why these are the greatest showmen and are worth their weight in gold. 1. Expertise and experience. A professional social media manager knows the in and outs of each platform, the latest trends, and what makes content tick. They've seen what works and what doesn't, meaning they can craft strategies tailored to your business. Think of them as the seasoned ringmaster who knows exactly how to get the crowd cheering. And yes, some of our social media managers look just like Hugh Jackman. 2. Consistency is key. Oh, apparently, I also had a caption that said, rarely do social media managers look like Hugh Jackman. So, conflicting messages from me in this video. Consistency is the name of the game in social media. Regular posts keep your audience engaged and your brand top of mind. But let's face it, finding the time to post regularly is a Herculean task and you're running a business. A dedicated social media manager ensures your online presence never misses a beat, keeping your audience entertained and engaged. 3. Creativity unleashed. Social media isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about telling a compelling story. Professional managers have the creative chops to develop captivating content that resonates with your audience. They bring fresh ideas to the table, turning your brand into the main attraction under the big top. Analytics and insights. In the world of social media, numbers don't lie. Understanding analytics is crucial to refining your strategy and maximizing ROI. A social media manager dives deep into the data, providing insights into what's working and what needs tweaking. It's like having a fortune teller who reads the crystal ball of metrics to guide your next move. Now 5, time is money. As a small business owner, your time is precious. This is a topic we visit in most of our posts, as our more active readers can attest to. Every minute spent on social media is a minute taken away from running your business. By outsourcing, you free up valuable time to focus on what you do best. Often, this will save a business money as well, as the outsourced cost is significantly less than hiring a manager to be part of your team. Let the social media manager handle the online circus while you focus on delivering top-notch products or services. And of course, the finale. I've been enjoying this meme. This is where he always suggests you contact Strottner Designs and pretends it's a summary. That guy gets me. Are you still not convinced? Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your social media is in expert hands, your brand is growing, and your audience is engaged, all without you lifting a finger. It's the ultimate magic trick. So take a leap of faith and let a professional social media manager turn your small business into the star of a show. You'll wonder how you ever managed without one. Step right up and witness the transformation. Your business deserves the spotlight, and outsourcing your social media management is your ticket to big top success. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. Contact us at support@strottner.com to learn more about social media services and audit your site on the Strottner Designs homepage. Our report includes info about your social media performance. And there you have it, an attempt at a funny, educational, and entertaining look at the wonders of outsourcing your social media management. Remember, in the grand circus of business, it's all about having the right performers in the spotlight. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. And don't forget the important lesson to take away from this. Having someone, a professional that understands all the platforms, manage your social media can be crucial to growing that audience and generating more business. Don't forget that we still have SE October running through the end of the year, so find a way to reach out to us about that. You can do support@Strottner.com, or you can contact us through Strottner.com/SE October to learn more about that program. Remember, you can always audit your site. Some of the links will be in the show notes, and we look forward to seeing you again next week. My name is Michael Carroll. I want to thank you for being with me today. And between now and next week, be good. And if you can't be good, make sure to be careful.